Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the actual ringtone file off the iPhone. Open iTunes or Finder if you backed up, or export from GarageBand as an audio file. Once you have the M4R or M4A on your computer, make sure it's the full ringtone length and not locked by DRM. You'll use that file next to convert into an Android-compatible format, so name it clearly and place it in a folder you can access easily. Once the file is on your computer, convert it to MP3 or OGG so Android can use it. You can use a trusted desktop converter. Choose 128/256 kbps to balance size and fidelity. Trim silence or trim intro so the ringtone sounds right when called. Make sure the resulting file has a clear name and move it into a folder called Ringtones. That makes Android discover it automatically. After conversion, you're ready to transfer the file to your phone. Now transfer the converted file to your Android via USB, MTP, or cloud storage. Place it in the Ringtones or Notifications folder. Once done, open Settings, Sound, and choose Phone Ringtone. Pick your new file. If Android doesn't show it, make sure the file name has no weird characters, restart the phone, or move it to the root Ringtones folder. One troubleshooting tip: if still invisible, clear the media storage cache or run a file manager to set the file as ringtone direct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.